Welcome to Sukyu's world. My love of travel started with my passion for penguins. Find out where that has led me as I share experiences of extraordinary destinations, sustainable travel and concepts, wildlife and our environment, whilst recounting the stories and ambitions of people we've met along the way. Welcome to the second video in my Sustainable Tourism at Four Seasons Maldives series. This one's called Using the Sun. Resort islands here generally have their own powerhouses and they're generating electricity from diesel. And Landaa Giraavaru have 5 generators currently. But of course one thing the Maldives has plenty of is sun, certainly more than the UK generally has in a year. But bearing in mind this island's quite small, it's 600 metres in length from east to west, 200 metres in its width at the maximum point. I think you're going to be quite impressed at how they are using the sun. You're using 5 generators, okay.
So we have the solar, which gives us about 10% of our energy, daily energy. And at the 90% we have to use it from our generators.
Right, okay.
So these are generators, 5 generators in total, along with the solar during the daytime.
Yeah, okay. Because again, I can imagine you use a lot of energy here running this place, really. So it's good using some. Okay, so we're going to go and look at the solar panels. Perfect.
Yeah.
Look at all these solar panels.
Right.
Oh wow, Faisal, that's a lot. The last time
this is an exclusive view.
It is an exclusive view. Thank you on that one. Now the last time I think you had them. Did you have them out in the ocean at one point?
Yeah, there is one still.
Oh, there's still one out there. Okay.
That's
yep. Okay.
All right. That's our pilot program.
That was the pilot program. Okay. Cool. So that's the pilot program out at sea. Is that still operational? Okay. Cool.
So, yeah, these are our solar panels. It spans over 3,100 square foot space, over 5,200 solar panels in total. We completed the project in 2018 November.
Okay.
And since then it's operational. It's installed by a company called SwimSol. They have done a lot of other projects in other resorts as well after our project. And 10% of our energy gets from these solar panels.
It's quite a good amount actually, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's on a good hot sunny day like this, we would be getting about 450 kilowatts at a time during the peak hours.
Yeah.
So it's a quite good achievement in terms of finding clean energy, I suppose.
Yes. Yeah, absolutely. And this is mainly on the tops of the staff quarters, is it?
Right.
And your other operational buildings.
Right.
Okay. And do you have any capacity for expanding that, or will this be it for now?
For now, it will be this.
Okay.
We cannot put the solar panels on top of our guest rooms because it has thatched roof. The concept is different.
Yeah.
I think we are maximized in terms of the roofings available.
Yeah.
At the point. One thing that still can be done, but I think it's not considered yet, that storing the energy in the batteries, which is not done here.
No. Okay.
For various reasons, I suppose, because batteries are considered again as a harmful, dangerous goods, right?
Yes. So it's a balancing act, really, isn't it?
It's a balancing act, right?
Yeah. That was a significant project. How long did it take them to install all of these?
I think about 1 year. I was not here when they did it, but I know they completed and it was up and running from 2018.
From 2018.
November onwards. And so far, we have gathered over 1 million kilowatt hours, from the past 4 years. That corresponds to 2,900 tons of CO2 out of the atmosphere.
That's a big offset, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
So imagine if we didn't have in the past 4 years this, we would have released 2,900 tons of CO2 from the powerhouse. So we managed to offset that because of the solar panels.
Wow. It's a significant achievement. So big steps for a small island to take, I feel. That's 1 million kilowatt hours over the last 4 years produced from their solar panels, which are extensive, as you can see. and that corresponds to 2,900 tonnes of CO2 that they've not added to the atmosphere. That's got to be good, and just from that one island. If you're interested in sustainable tourism, then watch out for my next video in this series, and it's coming soon.